she's struggling. Good morning, good morning. Got another video coming out for you. Just gonna move the car a little bit forward. I'm not gonna drive it around while she's really cold, all right? And there she is. Today we got a little install coming for you guys. Ignore this. I need to install that better. I'll make a video about that. But I do got some carbon goodies. So, just like the front splitter that I have on, that I'll be doing a better video on. Let me move this plant real quick. I did get stuck over there. Alright, after finishing the struggle, trying to untape that. But here she is. First of all, come beautifully wrapped. I unwrapped this one, but look at this quality. The front splitter was the same, but I've had some issues of how I installed it and I kind of messed it up. But super great quality, super greatly packaged and everything. It's got the hardware here somewhere. I know I have it somewhere. But super great quality, 100% carbon fiber. But I think I have everything that I need to install this with. And just gonna go get the drill bits because this does get screwed on with some screws that it comes with. But yeah, I'm gonna jack up the car, and if I have to put the jack stands underneath, I'll go ahead and do that. But it should be a pretty straightforward install. It shouldn't be too hard. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to it, and hopefully it comes out super smooth and super clean. But once I jack up the car and see whether I have to put the jack stands up or not, I'll get back to you guys then. But yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead, get everything prepped out, and I'll get to you guys when it's coming down to business. I jacked up the car and I put one of the jack stands underneath. I'm just using this to level out this thing, just for a mock-up. And I think I can push it up a little bit more. Car says too low back here. But anyways, as long as it's just held up on one side. But I'm gonna go ahead and start drilling them. I brought the screws, yeah. So this is a hardware that's provided. So I guess you just drill through it and it stays magically up there, I'm guessing, which I find kind of sketched out, but it's a hardware that's provided. So I'm gonna go ahead and start mounting it up, and once I get this side all mocked up, I'm gonna tell you guys the mounting points where I put it at, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the finished product on this side. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side as well. After some battling that I had with this, it's finally all mounted on this side, and I must say, accompanied with this, looks amazing. Just some little tips I should say for this. So you can see that I did drill or screw these on, but what I did is I found a drill bit that was almost the same size as the screw itself to drill into the carbon, and I found a drill bit a little bit smaller to drill into this so it wouldn't be loose at all. And I must say it holds on pretty well. And then what I did also is I went around, just gave it a little feel to see where the looser sides are, and this was probably the best that I could do it. And then also you can see how thick it is, and then the side skirt itself from the OEM, or the OEM side skirt that comes with the car, is roughly the same size as this, so it's, you can just play with it. I wanted to stick it out a little bit more, and after installing it I did see that there's some scuffs that came with it, but it looks like this can be easily wet sanded down, then with some little clear coat or something, and it'll be perfectly fine. But the one downfall I would say from this is it does take away the mounting points from the, damn, what's it called, the welding points, I think it's called, I'm not sure, but it does take away some of the mounting points that these arrows point to, and it has like a little gap right there, so you're just gonna have to go a little bit further in. I might have to put a little wood stack under, or a wood plank underneath, in order for me to take this out. But once I got down to it and I knew how to install it, it was super easy. You can see it's perfectly flush here, perfectly flush here as well, and I must say it's pretty good. There you guys have it, fully installed. And once I finished the other side and I came onto this side, it was just super easy once I got the full where to mount and how to exactly put it on as well. It was super clean, super easy. This side probably took me 5-10 minutes. Other side probably took me half an hour, just because I was trying to figure out all this stuff. But man, just look at that, it's very subtle. It's got the little fin right here. It accompanies the front splitter. Yeah, like I said, accompanies the front splitter perfectly. I just rinsed it off just so it's clean. I am gonna dry it off right now as well. But there you go, I just wanted to show you guys the after install, and for it just being a couple screws, it does pretty good. We'll see how it does in high speeds, but look at this. She's coming along pretty slow, but I'm loving it. Yeah man, I'm enjoying these things. They look great, first of all. Great quality. I'm gonna go ahead and end off the video right here. Like I said, I enjoyed this product. I'm glad I finally got around to finally installing this. And I hope installing these side skirts goes well for you guys as well. Once I got onto this side, the second side, it was way easier for me. But anyways, hope you guys come back to the channel again. We got a lot more dope stuff coming out for you. Peace out.